Subscribe to BoostUp Station if you haven't, and today we are going to give 5 terabytes of storage on OneDrive for free. These are some of the links from where you can get 5 terabytes of storage, and no one is going to tell you this. Don't store personal files on it, and these are not for lifetime. Alright, so I'll be showing you for this link. If you are not able to get from this link, then just follow the same process to get it from other links. Okay, so here's the website. Let me translate it to English first. Now click on activation, and here you have to enter your last name, first name, username, and the activation code that we are going to receive. Let us enter them. Now for the activation code, just open up this email in a new tab and copy the email from here, and make sure you also save this recovery key, which can be used to recover the temporary email address if needed in future. Enter the email address here and click on submit. Now click on understand. Here is the account number and the password. Save them somewhere safe and click on login. I already have some other account logged in, so I'm going to click on use another account. Okay, but in your case you just have to log in from those credentials. Copy and paste the email address you just created. Now enter the password here and click on sign in. Now change the password, enter the old password here and now the new password, and click on sign in. And here we are. Let's close this. Now you see this OneDrive icon on the left. Click on it. Now it says OneDrive is ready. Click on it. And here we are with 5 terabytes of free storage. Let us check it. Now go to the top right corner and click on this settings icon and click on OneDrive settings. Now click on more settings from here and click on this storage matrix right here, this one. And now you can see that you have 5120 GB free out of 5120 GB. Perfect. So we successfully got 5 terabytes of storage for free. So please subscribe to BoostUp Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.